Alrighty, hi there boys. So we're going to continue working on our second dance, Timeless. This is for boys at 6:35 on Friday. So the last thing that we learned in our previous video was our little pull down when we went, we are timeless, timeless. So that's the last thing that we learned in the video. So now we're going to do 2 8 counts of a little heel cross to the front. So I'll do it facing you. So I'm going to step out, my hands are opening, and I'm going to cross in front, step to the side, cross in front. I'm going to do that for 2 full 8 counts. So this is what it looks like after we go from we are timeless, we are timeless. I'm going to do my heel cross to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 full 8 counts of our heel crosses. After that, we're going to do 2 8 counts of roll the dice. So when I roll the dice, I roll it, step back, roll, step back. I'll do it one time facing you. So when I roll the dice, I go here, throw, here, throw, here, throw, here, throw. We're going to do that for 2 8 counts. So we've just done our heel crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to roll the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do both of those for 2 full 8 counts. Then after that, there's going to be a little bit of a change in the music. And we're going to do another formation change. So right now, I have all my boys on our line of dots right here. If you need a refresher of where you go and your places, feel free to reference the previous video that I have of where all my boys are going to which dots. So, right now, we're all on this line of dots. For our performance, remember that's that line of blue painter's tape. So, now we're going to move into our next formation. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take this whole line, you're going to stay in your line, but we're going to move it back. We're going to move it back. But when we move back, we're going to be doing a slide with our foot. We're going to be making a little half circle. Let me do it facing you. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to be doing that also for 2 8 counts, backing up. So if I back it up, I'm going to be starting with my right foot. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, if we all did this correctly, you should be directly across from your spot in our line up there. I'll show it to you one more time. So we've just done our 2 8 counts of roll the dice. Then we're going to back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when I'm doing these little half circles, I want to make sure that I'm leaning down, that I am getting low, because it looks a little bit better than if I'm trying to do it up here, standing all tall. So remember, when you're sliding, lean down and stretch that foot out. So now we've backed up. We've done that for 2 full 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now all of the boys are backed up. Now we're going to do 1 8 count of a heel twist. We're going to start with our right foot. I'll do it facing you first. I'm going to put my heel out, my right foot with my toe up to the sky, and I'm going to do a twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to switch to the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'll do it facing this way. We've just done our half circle slides. We're all the way back. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to go grab the lyrics because we're going to do this next bit to the words. So we're all back here. We've done our twists and our twists. Now we're going to move back up to our starting dots up there in the front. And this next little bit, we're going to do it to each line of the lyrics. Each part, each line is going to have its own thing. So now we're going to do a big dramatic walk. So if I were to walk just regularly up to this dot, it would look like this. Just walking. But we want it to look cool, look like hip hop. So I'm going to make it big, make it dramatic. So we're also going to be playing with our speed. So up till now, we've been dancing, 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 and now we're going to slow it down. I'm going to start with my right foot. And the first lyric is going to go, we can talk, talk, talk. So I'm going to take my time and use that whole line of lyrics. So I'm going to go, we can talk, talk, talk. Then our next one is for hours and there's more to say, A. I'm going to use my left foot, pick it up. For that, for there's hours and there's more to say, A. Right foot, and don't know, O. And don't know, O. So you see, I'm working myself back to my dot. So this last one, I'm going to make it a little big so I can get to my dot. And it's going to be that you and me fit perfectly, hey, A. I'm going to step forward. That you and me fit perfectly, A. And if you need to, you can fudge it a little bit to get yourself to your dot. So we're going to do a total of 4 walks. We're going to walk forward those big dramatic steps 4 times. I'll show it to you one more time. So I back up. And we've just done our heel twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to walk. We can talk, talk, talk for hours and there's more to say, A. And don't you know, O. That you and me fit perfectly, A. Then, like in the beginning of the song, he's going to say, oh yeah. And just like in the beginning, we're going to shake our head, oh yeah. Like we're saying, yes, that's cool, oh yeah. Then we're going to add on now. So the next bit is we're going to just continue to do it to the lyrics. So he's going to say, because every time you smile. So I'll do it facing you first. He's going to say, because every time you smile, I'm going to stack my hands like this. I have my right hand on top, my left hand on the bottom, and I want to make sure that it's down in front of my chest, not up in front of my face, because then the audience can't see my face. So I want it right down here. So I've walked here, bum, bum, bum. I've nodded my head, yes, yes. I place my hands here. Now I'm going to unwind him when he says, because every time you smile. I'm going to go, because every time you smile. So all I'm doing is I'm rotating it so that my left hand is landing on top. So I'm going to face front, because he's going to go, because every time you smile. Then he's going to say that you light the world up. So I'm going to twist. So I've done this, because every time you smile, I'm going to twist my right foot around, and my right hand's going to come with it, because every time you smile, you light the world. So I'm taking my hand, doing a big rainbow over my head, because every time you smile, you light the world. When he says the word up, I'm going to push my hand up. Pretty easy to remember. When he says up, push your hand up. So I'm going to go from, because every time you smile, because every time you smile, you light the world up. So that's where we are. Then he's going to say, no matter what you do, I just can't get enough. So we've just landed and our hand is up. Now I'm going to step out, because he's going to say, no matter what you do. I'm going to jump in. I'll do it facing you. I'm going to step out. No matter, like I'm saying, nope, no matter. No matter what you do. I'm going to jump in. No matter what you do, he's going to say, I just can't get enough. I'm going to do a little groove, keeping my hands tucked in. I just can't get enough. Do it facing this way. No matter what you do, I just can't get enough. We're going to do our little groove, groove, groove. Then this is going to be a little bit of a repeat from what we did before, because he's going to say, and baby now, how I feel will always be in style. So we're going to take our hands, find the top of our shirt, and we're going to do those little happy feet swivels. And baby, how I feel will always be in in the beginning of the dance. So I do that, and baby, how I feel will always be in style. And he's gonna say, forever and ever. So I'm gonna do that, forever and ever. So we're gonna go ahead and hold right there.